thought we'd go a little fancy tonight, guys. So tonight, chicken Cordon Bleu. I'm cooking with Jon. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Jon. Tonight, we decided to be a little fancy. We're doing a bit of a chicken Cordon Bleu, guys. I've never made this recipe. It's from Delish, and it's well, chicken Cordon Bleu. So that's what we're gonna do. If you're not familiar with the series here, guys, what we do is every day, we go on the internet, find ourselves a recipe. Be it whatever. Chicken Cordon Bleu tonight could be whatever. Chicken pot pie could be, who knows. We did miso soup one night. Never had that before, but it was really good. Anyway, but we pick one and then we make it. I've never made any of these recipes before. I'm not a professional chef or anything like that. I'm not a professional cook. If you watch any of the shows, you'll know that for sure, but we won't get into that right now, okay? Anyway, now to the chicken. So we got the chicken Cordon Bleu. I got the oven preheated to 400 like it tells me to. And it says, line a large pan baking sheet with parchment paper. Yeah, okay, fine. Place the chicken breast between two pieces of plastic wrap on the cutting board. Well, I didn't put them on the cutting board, they're right on my counter. They're right there. Between two pieces of plastic wrap. And we are going to beat them to a tar till they're about a quarter inch thick. That's what it tells us to do. So that's what we're going to do. So, we got a rolling pin here. Chicken between plastic wrap. And we're going to give it a good butt whoop. Flatten her out. Ah, there you go. Take that. And another one. How do you like that, chicken? So there we go. That's all flattened out nicely. Alright guys, next thing we're going to do is take our cheese, put it on top of the chicken, along with our 2 slices of ham. And then we take it from one end of the chicken and we are going to roll it. It wants to come for me. There we are. Roll it up into a roll. Stay still. Then we're going to take our toothpicks and we're going to secure it. The roll. Like so. At least that's what they tell me to do anyway. I can't guarantee it's 100% correct, guys. I am not an expert. I'm just a guy playing around with toothpicks in the kitchen. Toothpicks in the kitchen. Alright, after that, it tells us to season our flour with some salt and some fresh ground pepper. There we are. And we're going to mix some thyme, or some oregano, sorry, in with panko breadcrumbs along with some melted butter. I'm going to work that in until it's mixed through. Just for a little flavor, I guess, guys, and some moisture, I suppose. I'm guessing that's why they told us to do it. They say it, I do it. That's the way it is. That's about doing the recipes. Making a mess on my countertop, but well, that's alright. So the cloth's 4. Alright, there we go. Let's get a fork. We'll mix all that stuff together. Get our flour and salt and pepper mixed in together. So that's 1 cup of flour and 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs, guys. Alright, let's kick the crap out of our eggs because it tells us to do that too. Beat the eggs up. Nice and beaten. Throw that in there. And then it says to roll the chicken and the flour and the egg and the panko. So that's what we're going to do. Let's see how this turns out. So, roll her in the flour first. Keep them all nice and tight. Get her all floured up nicely. Boom, boom. There we go. Stir in the egg. Roll around in there. Nice little roll in the egg. Who doesn't like rolling in eggs, eh? I guess I don't really. So, I guess who does like rolling in eggs would be a better question. Probably some people. Who knows? Nice, get her all crumbed up, nice and crummy. Crummy. There we go. Losing my tightness on my roll though here. I am making a mess, guys. Holy. They said a shallow bowl. They should have said a bigger one than this. Where'd my toothpick go? Uh-oh. It's in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Okay, we're good. It's there. And that is our chicken parm that will go in the oven in a moment. Just got 3 more of them to do.
You mean chicken cordon bleu?
That's right, chicken cordon bleu. It's not chicken parmesan, is it? That's our chicken cordon bleu. Yeah, chicken parmesan. It's funnier than chicken parmesan. Anyway, we'll be back in a minute, guys, once I got the other 4 done. Alright? No need to watch me do more of them. Welcome back, guys. We're just finishing up the last one. And these bad boys will be ready to pop in the oven. A little bit of a messy endeavor with the small bowls, but that's okay. That's what they make cloths for. Get them all separated here. It said for 4 guys. I had a pack of 5 chicken breasts, so I really didn't see the point of leaving one out. Didn't make a whole lot of sense to me to do that, so I didn't. Alright, so get those off. And we're going to pop these in the oven for about 30 minutes or until brown at 400 degrees. So, got that all in. Chicken's in. Looking pretty good so far, guys. If you like what you see, make sure you throw those thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there, guys, as well. And if you want to see me make anything in particular, just let me know in the comments. We'll be right back. Alright, guys, our chicken is in. So, now it's time to make the sauce. It says to add the butter to the pan, if that wants to come off there first. Just not going to, but we'll do a little whisk. Boom, just like that. So we got our butter in our pan, and it says to melt the butter and add the flour, and stir until golden brown, about 2 minutes. Slowly whisk in the milk, then add the mustard and let simmer until thickened, 5 minutes. Add parmesan and stir until melted. Season with salt and pepper. So that's the next step. So this is the sauce for the chicken, guys. Sounds interesting. I was reading on there, apparently chicken cordon bleu isn't, I always thought it was French, but apparently it's Swiss. They first originated on menus around 1940s or so. So they're saying. I thought it was kind of interesting. I just thought I'd throw that in case anyone knew that or not. Throw it down in the comments if you did. If you didn't, throw it in the comments or whatever, I don't care. Anyway, so we're going to add our flour to our butter. We're going to whisk that up. I suppose, though, if it was French, you'd think it'd be poulet or something like that. Anyway. I guess it really doesn't matter. So yeah, I always thought it was a French dish. I didn't realize it was Swiss though. But that's neat. A little bit of food history, I guess. Maybe not really even that old. But it still looks pretty good. So we're going to get that all browned up. It's coming nicely. So now it says to whisk in our milk. Where she browns up. All that's done now. Looks pretty good. So we're going to whisk our milk in. whisk our milk in to the pan. Oh yeah, listen to that sizzle, eh? Get that all stirred up. Now we'll let that cook for about 5 minutes, I think it's done. Oh, we're going to add the mustard too. I believe it's that. And then we're going to cook for 5 minutes. Got all whisked up. And it does say, melt, then add the mustard and let simmer. Okay, so grab our mustard and something to get the mustard out of here with. There we go, very nice. A little bit of Dijon mustard, can't go wrong with that stuff. Gotta like Dijon. Alright, so we're going to get rid of that. We'll give that a whisk together. And then we're going to let that simmer for 5 minutes, guys, so it reduces a little bit. And then we've got Parmesan cheese over here to add. So that is the plan, and that's what we're going to do. Alright, so we're going to reduce that to a little bit, and let that simmer a bit. Okay, as I said, guys, you like what you see, throw those thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. Okay, we'll be right back in a minute when this sauce is ready to go. Alright guys, our sauce is thickened up nicely, so now it tells us to add Parmesan cheese to it and whisk it in. nice little milk. That's what it says. It says freshly grated parm, guys. I don't have freshly grated parm, so I'm just using the other stuff. That happens. But take a look at that. Isn't that a nice looking sauce? Pretty nice looking sauce, I think. Very nice. Smells good. A little bit of Dijon in there. Really, you can smell it. And it says a bit of salt and pepper to taste, so let's throw a bit of salt in there. And a bit of pepper. That's our sauce pretty much there, guys. Remember, guys, if you're liking what you're seeing, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button, guys. And tell me what you think in the comments. And we'll be right back with our chicken cordon bleu. Welcome back, guys. Our chicken is plated. It is looking gorgeous. I'm quite happy with how this turned out. Got some baby potatoes and some carrots in there too. That's beautiful. We'll throw a bit of that sauce on top of the chicken here and we'll cut her open and see what she looks like. This is kind of a rolled chicken cordon bleu, which I think is kind of neat. Some nice coating of sauce on it. Looking lovely. Grab a fork and a knife. And let's take a look and see this guy, what she looks like inside. Oh yeah. Lovely and rolled. Looking pretty. Tip it up a little bit here so you can see. Oh, that's gorgeous, eh? Kind of proud of that one. It turned out nicely. Nicely cooked. Looks very good. Beautiful. Very happy with how that turned out. This has been Cooking with Jon. If you like what you see, guys, throw those thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also, tell me what you'd like to see me make in the comments. I'm interested to hear it. Anyway, this has been Cooking with Jon. Bye for now.